Okay, so this is the problem that we got. Integral of parentheses x minus 1 cos parentheses 3x squared minus 6x. The first step is to get the u and du. The u would be 3x squared minus 6x, and the du would be 6x minus 6. The other step is, well, substitute the u and du.
After we substitute with du, we put the du under the fraction to divide it and simplify. It leaves us with 1/6 cos u, and later on we take the 1/6 out of the bracket so we can antiderivative the cos u, which leaves us with 1/6 bracket cos u.
So we move the 1 over 6 to the inside of the integral. Then we have 1 over 6 sin of u. And the final result will be 1 over 6 sin of 3x squared minus 6x plus c.